Chapter 2. The Foundations of Productivity. 1. Set clear goals. Productivity begins with clarity. Without clear goals, your efforts can easily scatter, leading to frustration and wasted time. One effective strategy is using SMART goals, objectives that are specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. For example, complete the first chapter of my novel is more specific than work on my book. Measurable. Include metrics to track progress. Instead of improve fitness, try run 3 miles 4 days a week. Achievable. Set realistic goals that stretch you but are still within reach. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your broader life objectives. Time-bound. Set a deadline. A goal without a timeline is merely a wish. Once you've defined your long-term objectives, break them down into smaller, manageable pieces. Create daily, weekly, and monthly milestones to track progress. For instance, if your goal is to write a book in 6 months, plan to complete 1 chapter every 2 weeks and write a specific number of words each day. 2. Prioritize effectively. Knowing what to focus on is just as important as knowing what to avoid. The Eisenhower Matrix is a powerful tool to categorize tasks and allocate time wisely. 1. Urgent and important. Tasks that require immediate attention and are critical to your goals. For example, meeting a deadline or addressing an urgent client issue. These should be your top priority. 2. Important but not urgent. Tasks that contribute to long-term success but don't demand immediate action, such as planning, skill development, or relationship building. Schedule these tasks to ensure they don't fall through the cracks. 3. Urgent but not important. These tasks are distractions that seem pressing but don't significantly impact your goals. Delegate these when possible. 4. Neither urgent nor important. Activities that waste time, like excessive social media scrolling or unproductive meetings. Eliminate these to free up your schedule for meaningful work. By using this matrix, you can focus on what truly matters, avoid burnout, and create a structured workflow.
3. Build discipline and habits. Productivity thrives on consistency, and building good habits is the foundation for achieving it. Start with small, manageable actions to create momentum and reduce the overwhelm of large tasks. The 2-minute rule is an excellent strategy to get started. If something can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. Examples include responding to a quick email, tidying up your desk, or jotting down an idea. When forming new habits, start small and increase gradually. For instance, if your goal is to meditate daily for 20 minutes, begin with just 2 minutes and build up over time. This incremental approach prevents burnout and makes the habit more sustainable. Additionally, create an environment that supports your habits. Remove distractions, set visual reminders, and reward yourself for milestones achieved. Discipline isn't just about willpower. It's about creating systems that make the right choices easier and automatic. By setting clear goals, prioritizing effectively, and cultivating discipline, you'll build a solid foundation for lasting productivity.